Hello and welcome back to Mind Peak. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of daily life? Do you look for ways to unclutter not just your space, but also your mind? And are you ready to make a change, but unsure where to start? Whether you're someone who thrives on life's challenges or prefers a more laid-back approach, at the end of the day, everyone can benefit from a simpler life. Simplifying your life is all about cutting out the unnecessary, minimizing distractions, and managing your time more effectively to help reduce stress and allow for clear thinking. In this video, we'll guide you through 6 easy steps to help liberate your mind so that you can focus on the things which really matter. Number 1. Declutter. While some people find comfort in clutter and disorganization, for many, an excess of clutter can overwhelm the mind and make it difficult for clear thinking. For this reason, it's a good idea to declutter your home by methodically tackling each area from top to bottom and removing items that are no longer needed. Once you've decluttered and are confident you won't need the items again, consider passing them on to family members, donating them to charity, or even selling them to earn some extra cash. The act of decluttering not only clears physical space, resulting in a cleaner home and clearer mind, but the process can also be psychologically therapeutic. Often, we attach our memories to physical items, where they represent a specific period or experience in our lives, both good and bad. Sorting through and removing these items allows you to revisit and perhaps bid farewell to the old memories associated with them. This not only helps to shed physical items, but also emotional baggage, enabling you to move forward in life with a more liberated mindset. Number 2. Unsubscribe and delete. As our lives become increasingly intertwined with technology, it's essential to address the clutter that accumulates in our digital environment and online workspace. It's important to clean and remove digital clutter to not only simplify your environment, but also enhance your device's performance. Removing digital clutter is the process of reviewing your content and deciding whether to keep, archive, or delete it. To begin, start by reviewing the apps on all your devices and uninstall the ones you no longer use or need. This will help to declutter and free up valuable storage space. Then, consider sorting and removing unnecessary files from all your hard drives. Don't forget to back up any important data before doing so. Also, clear your desktop by removing all unused thumbnails and files. This will create a clean and organized space that you'll appreciate every time you start up. In your online environment, organize bookmarks by removing links to sites that no longer interest you. This will simplify your browsing experience and make it easier to find the sites you need. Within messaging and emails, consider removing old contacts and try to unsubscribe from lists and newsletters that are no longer relevant or useful. On your phone, if you receive an excessive number of messages advertising products and services, consider contacting your network provider and request removal from their marketing list. By following these steps, you can create a digital environment that's not only more streamlined and organized, but also less stressful to navigate. Number 3. Limit distractions. Getting tasks done can often be challenging, and when distractions come our way, it's easy to lose focus and difficult to regain momentum. One of the easiest ways to become distracted is when you allow your mind to wander off and engage in a toxic thought process known as rumination. You may also find yourself seeking a distraction as a way to procrastinate while hoping that somehow the motivation will find you again. If you always catch yourself in the same pattern of behavior, start by taking a deep breath. Remind yourself it's not helpful and try to refocus your attention. Unfortunately, distractions also have a way of finding you, especially when you're deeply focused on something. Because of outside interference, it's crucial to reduce any distractions that can disrupt your train of thought, such as your phone or any other electronic device. To limit these distractions, filter the amount of alerts and notifications you receive so that you can focus on the important things. Finally, set up a space where external distractions are minimized so that you can fully concentrate on what truly deserves your focus and attention. Number 4. Stop multitasking. In our attempt to align with the evolution of technology, multitasking in today's highly competitive world is often regarded as an efficient way to increase our productivity. However, while the devices we use may be good at handling many tasks at once, the human mind is not as efficient at multitasking. Unlike machines, our brains aren't naturally wired to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, and attempting to do so can lead to a lack of productivity and increased stress. The human brain is only good at focusing on a single activity, and when it switches between tasks, it also increases the likelihood of a mistake being made. When the brain's focus is divided between tasks, it can also impede learning by preventing a deep understanding and cause poor memory retention. Instead of trying to do many things at once, both digitally and in the real world, concentrate on one task at a time and limit your distractions to enhance your focus. Number 5. Plan and prioritize. Every day, we tackle a mix of tasks and responsibilities. Some are essential, while others are not so important. And if not properly planned, your schedule could end up being far more complicated than necessary. To begin, it's worth thinking about the things that actually matter and recognizing those that don't, then deciding the best way to prioritize your time. To manage your time effectively, start by anticipating your upcoming tasks and plan your week to prioritize key activities while minimizing the less important ones. For instance, if house chores are taking up too much time, consider hiring someone to do it for you. If that's not an option, dedicate a short period each day for a quick cleanup. Also, look for ways to streamline repetitive and time-consuming tasks. For example, consolidate all your shopping trips into one visit to the supermarket or utilize online services to deliver only the essentials. Combining activities into one outing can also be a great time saver. For instance, a visit to the gym can be followed up by a grocery run, which then maximizes the efficiency of your outing while freeing up the rest of the day. Number 6. Sort your finances. To simplify your life, one of the most important steps is to take control of your finances by organizing and restructuring all bills and expenses. Start by reviewing subscriptions to various products and services to evaluate whether you truly need each one. Try to set up automatic payments for regular bills and create reminders in your calendar to keep tabs on the due dates. This ensures that bills are paid on time without having to remember and manage the payment. If possible, consider merging utility bills into one provider. For example, explore options for combining electricity and gas services or merging your telephone and internet plans. Finally, set aside some time to organize all paper statements into a folder and discard the outdated ones that serve no further purpose. By organizing and streamlining every facet of your financial life, you'll benefit from being able to think more clearly while potentially alleviating some financial stress. We hope you enjoyed learning about the 6 ways to simplify your life. If you would like to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!